Hello, my dear viewers. Welcome back to my video. Today, I want to share something very useful. Many people ask me this question. They say, how can I practice English at home? Some people think it is not possible, but that is not true. You can do it easily. You don't need a partner. You don't need to go outside. You can learn English in your own room. In this video, I will show you some simple ways, so listen carefully till the end. Learning English at home is not hard. You only need time and interest. If you practice daily, you will improve very fast. Let's see some easy ways to do it. Remember, small practice every day is better than big practice once a week. When you make English a part of your life, it becomes easy and fun. The first way is self-T talk. Talk to yourself in English. Say what you are doing. Say I am cooking. Say I am cleaning my room. Say I am watching a movie. These small sentences help your brain think in English. At first it may feel funny, but it really works. If you do this every day, your confidence will grow. You will start to speak faster and more naturally. The second way is listening practice. Listen to English every day. You can listen to YouTube videos, English podcasts, or songs. Even if you don't understand everything, keep listening. Your ears will get used to English sounds. Day by day, you will understand more and more. You can also repeat what you hear to improve pronunciation. Try to listen to different accents, American, British, or Indian, to learn how English sounds around the world. The third way is reading. Read something in English every day. You can read short stories, easy articles, or even your phone messages. Read loudly. Reading loudly helps your speaking too. It makes your mouth and tongue practice English words. Reading also helps you learn sentence structure. When you read more, you get new ideas to use in speaking and writing. The fourth way is writing practice. Write a few sentences daily. Write about your day. For example, today I woke up early. I went for a walk. I studied English. This simple writing helps you remember new words and build sentences correctly. You can also keep a small English diary. Write your thoughts, plans, or dreams in English. It will make your writing skill better day by day. The fifth way is watching and repeating. Watch short English videos. After that, repeat what you hear. Copy the way people speak. This will make your pronunciation better and help you sound natural. You can pause the video and speak line by line. This small exercise will make a big difference in your speaking. Also remember one important thing. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Mistakes are normal. Everyone makes mistakes. Each mistake helps you learn something new. So don't stop. Keep going. Every mistake is a lesson. Every lesson makes you stronger. Another good idea is to make a daily routine. Give yourself 30 minutes every day for English, 10 minutes for listening, 10 minutes for reading, 10 minutes for speaking or writing. If you do this every day, your English will grow fast. You can also use English while doing your daily work. Think in English when you cook, walk, or travel. This will help your brain stay active with English all day. Learning English is like planting a tree. You must water it daily. Slowly, it will grow strong. Your English will also grow if you practice daily. At first, you may not see big changes, but after a few weeks, you will feel a big difference. So start today. Practice at home. Speak, listen, read, and write. Do it every day, and soon you will speak English easily and confidently. So, my friends, now you know how to practice English at home. You don't need a class or a teacher. You just need time, focus, and practice. Do it daily. Don't stop. Soon you will see a big change in your English. Remember, practice is the key to success. Keep learning, keep smiling, and keep improving. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please give a like, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more simple English learning videos. See you again in the next video.